Hi everyone. Welcome to Lispend Campus. 10 sentence every day, perfect for beginners stepping into English. We'll practice simple sentences, break down keywords, and learn through listening, all in English. Let's get started. 1. Can I ask you a question? Key phrase. Ask a question. This is how you request information or clarification. 2. What's the weather like today? Key phrase. Weather like. This is how you inquire about the current conditions outside. 3. Do you have a charger? Keyword, charger. A device used to power electronic devices like phones or laptops. 4. I don't feel like doing that. Key phrase, feel like. This means to want or have the desire to do something. 5. How long will it take? Key phrase, how long. This is how you ask about the duration of an activity. 6. Could you pass me the salt? Key phrase, pass me. This is how you ask someone to give you something that is within reach. 7. Where did you go? Key phrase, where did you go? This is how you ask someone about the place they visited. 8. I need to buy some groceries. Keyword, groceries. Food and other products bought in a store. 9. I'm looking for a book. Key phrase, looking for. This means trying to find something or someone. 10. Can I help you with that? Key phrase, help with. This is how you offer assistance to someone with a task or problem. These are 10 everyday phrases you can hear and use in real life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Keep practicing, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.
The breeze carries whispers, the stars softly glow, a rhythm eternal only we know. Your hand in mine, the world melts away. Each step we take, the music leads our way. The congas are echo, the horns start to sing. In this sacred moment, we feel everything. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions laid bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. Your smile ignites like a spark in the dark. Each motion a story, each glance a new spark. The melody wraps us like waves on the sea, bound by the rhythm, just you and me. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one speaks truths no words can convey. In your arms I'm home, where I long to stay. Let the rhythm guide us as stars lead the way. Our hearts are the music that will never stray. Let's move together, hearts in sync tonight. The rhythm we share is pure, infinite light. Under the moon, where passions lay bare, we dance as one in the rhythm we share. As the night fades, the rhythm will remain, a love everlasting in this sweet refrain.